What's up, you guys? So I have just received a package from Quest and I'm going to be unboxing it for you and showing you what's inside. So I have been picked to be in the 2019 Quest Squad, so this is a package that they sent me. Today I am going to be taste testing the Quest bars that they sent me, and I'm going to let you know my honest review on them. Before we get started, if you guys could please give this video a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please go subscribe. I'm going to be giving my 100% honest opinion. I'm not getting paid to do this. I just want to share with you guys what I think about these Quest bars, if I like them or not. So we got the birthday cake, the cookies and cream, the chocolate chip cookie dough, and then we got the cookies. So we got the peanut butter flavored one and the chocolate chip. Okay, so I'm not going to be eating the whole bar because that's like 600 plus calories. I don't know the math. But I'm just going to have like a bite or two, maybe three, depending on which one I like the most. So I'm going to be trying the chocolate chip cookie dough one. I'm excited. If I could open it. So this is what the protein bar looks like. Just gonna eat like a half of it. It's weird texture, not gonna lie. It reminds me of cookie dough like 100%, so. Okay. So this one definitely tastes like a protein bar, if that makes sense. Like you could for sure taste the protein, but it is really good, and I like that there's a bunch of chocolate chips inside of it. I love chocolate, so the texture, and honestly, like I don't mind this one because it legit reminds me of raw cookie dough, and who doesn't like raw cookie dough? So if I had to rate it, 7 out of 10, but I'm so hungry right now that I could eat this whole thing. I'm just gonna put this to the side. 7 out of 10 for sure. Okay, cookies and cream. Okay, this one looks delicious. So this is what the protein bar looks like. Pretty good. There is a lot of cookie going on in here. Okay. Wow. This one is 9 out of 10. But I think because there's so much, you know, filling in here, like the cookie and cream, I'm assuming. There's a lot of it inside the bar, so it kind of dilutes the protein type of taste, but it's super good. I really like this one. 9 out of 10. I'm so excited to try this right now. birthday cake. Who doesn't like cake? Like, come on.
Okay.
Now these are my type of protein bars. I'm just saying that real quick. So this one is completely different compared to these ones. It has like a coating over it. This is what it looks like. This one open. Okay, let's try this. You need like something if you dance, like, let's be honest. Okay, 10 out of 10 for sure. I'm not eating it, like, I only said I was gonna have a bite. I like that one a lot, and I think I like it because it has a coating over it. You can't even tell that it's a protein bar, to be honest. It literally tastes like sprinkles in heaven. I had to describe it. Delicious. Okay, so now we're getting into the cookies. I'm so satisfied with all of these flavors right now that I'm just like so content on, you know, rating these. So this one is soft and chewy, chocolate chip flavored. I love chocolate chip. I am a huge cookie fan. If I had to pick between cookies, ice cream, anything, I would pick cookies. So this is what the cookie looks like. Just gonna break it in half. Looks pretty good. Smells good. Oh my god. The fact that these have protein inside of them amazes me because, wow, you can't even tell. I like it. Someone's got to take these away because I'm gonna eat all of it. Let's see this one. Soft and chewy. So this is what the peanut butter one looks like. Definitely soft and chewy. Actually, I think this one's softer, but we'll see. Okay. A little on the dry side. For sure it tastes like peanut butter. I would say like 6.5 out of 10, just because, like I said, I don't really like peanut butter things. I like peanut butter, but okay. So I think overall my favorite one was the chocolate chip cookie. All these are definitely really good. I would for sure eat all of these again, but I wasn't a fan of the peanut butter one. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and go out and try Quest for yourself. Let me know how you like it. I am actually doing a giveaway, so comment below 3 friends and I will be picking one winner to give the new flavor of Quest bars to, and I'll be sending you those. So let me know your opinion on the Quest bars, if you like them, if you don't like them. I'm honestly super curious.